Hi everyone, it's me Tatiana and I have my cousin Sam here, and today we are going to be doing the cracker challenge and I have my phone. So I wanted to do the salt and ice challenge, but he said no because he doesn't want his skin to burn. And just watch the video. We're going to see how many crackers we can eat. And by the way, Sam, these are not expired. They're still good. We just got them. Mixy, 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 mix. Mixy, 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 mix. Mix, mix. Alright. Now to stay hydrated, you need some water. So you can swallow. And I have me some lemonade. So, once you get started, and this is the bowl of Grammys. Hold up. On my phone. I need my phone. Okay. I'm going to be using the little timer on my phone to ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Dude, this is bad lemonade. Ugh.
You're gonna lose.
I'm not losing. I'm a kid, so I have to check this all up. He's an adult. Oh.
Hold on. Call me.
Hold on.
Yeah, brother. No, sir. Me right up. We're not going to so. Let's live going. Which one of them? Chevron?
Doing good.
No, what I say? Where you want food special night? Night Christ? I'm going to say, how far are you trying this up? Okay. Alright. I'll come meet up out of Chevron and now. Shell or Chevron? No man. What I say? Up a food gas station I talk. Okay, alright. Me I come out there. I shall come out there now. Yeah.
Well, he's leaving, so bye.